Hi everyone, I'm Bea. Today I will talk about the basic care practices that you can do to help your hydroponic plants grow strong and healthy. Plants, like all living things, have fundamental needs: nutrients, water, a space to dwell in, air, and ideal temperatures for growth and reproduction. At this point, maybe you're wondering, what's the difference between growing in soil and in water? In terms of meeting the air and water needs, there are naturally existing pockets of air and water in the soil, both of which contribute to optimal root development and function. On the other hand, hydroponic systems provide the mixture of water and oxygen to the roots through wicking, through the use of porous materials, among others. In the next chapters, we will zoom in on the different factors that affect the growth and development of your crops. But for this episode, I will provide basic information about each of them. Let us start with sunlight. Many hydroponic systems are set up in indoor situations so that plants may satisfy their light requirements through sunny windowsills or artificial light. Lettuce needs about 10 to 12 hours of sunlight a day for optimum growth. Later in the course, I will teach you the correct amount of sunlight to give to your plants and how to choose the best indoor grow lights for indoor growing. Another important factor is the nutrients. A good nutrient solution should have macro and micronutrients that can ensure nourishment for your plants in every growth stage. But for now, we will not go in depth on this topic because we allotted a whole chapter for that. Alright, next we have water. The quality of water you will be mixing your nutrients will play a big role in the effective absorption of nutrients by the plants. You need to check the pH, which tells something about the acidity or the basicity of your nutrient water. Every crop grows best in certain pH levels, but generally an ideal pH is 6.0, while the acceptable range is 5.5 to 6.5. Later on, we will teach you how to measure and modify your water. Lastly, we have the temperature. Temperature plays a huge role in germination up to the success of your harvest. For instance, 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal for the germination of lettuce seeds, whereas during the growth process, a range of 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. To counteract too cold temperatures, you can use a greenhouse. To balance hot temperatures, you can insulate your reservoir or install a ventilation system. And there you go, an overview of the basic plant care. For the next chapters, we will be dealing with each of them, so buckle up and prepare to learn even more. Don't forget to follow us on social media accounts and join our vibrant community of growers by clicking the link in the description section below. You can also check out our website at www.foodforest.club for more updates and info about our upcoming works and projects. This is Bea, your guide in this exciting urban gardening adventure. Bye!